volcanoes. He is my local guide, and this is the place we are in now. The sounds are coming from cow. Those sounds.
Sounds of
Cow.
cows and sheep. Some they are from the homes,
Okay.
and others are from the wild.
Okay, so we don't have wild animals around.
We can see
We don't have wild animals around here, right?
wild animals run here.
Wild animals like animals who can attack humans.
No wild animals that can attack us. But maybe in night times, the buffaloes used to come out of the park.
Buffalo.
Yes, the buffaloes.
But yeah, buffalo is fine.
But right now, no wild animals that can attack us.
Okay, so how far gorilla lives? Nearby, or they don't live here?
Gorillas, because they are like humans. They
Okay.
keep moving daily. You can find them here. Another day you can't find them here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's how the gorillas live.
Okay.
And even there are the many times they used to come out, but it not happens every day. It can't be a chance.
So we can't find gorilla here. Nearby place.
Yeah, gorillas we can find them here, but I don't think we will see them. It will be high chance to see them. These are the pilot as the main cash crop we have in Rwanda, and also cultivated in this area.
Really?
Yes.
Nice.
They are used to make the insecticide to kill the bacteria and
What is this? Is this a church?
yeah, it's a Seventh-day Adventist church.
Okay.
Many people from this area, they are the Adventists.
The advantage.
Yeah.
I don't have that much of idea about Christianity,
Yeah.
so won't be able to talk much.
Yes.
Seems to be a good place here.
Yeah. Too quiet.
Too quiet.
Yeah.
It's really hard to find any human. There is a huge church in nowhere place. I think some people are inside.
Yes. They are inside. They are praying.
They are praying.
Yeah.
Then after here, where we can go? We'll continue to straight. We'll continue to walk forward straight.
Yes. But in order to see different things,
Mm-hmm.
we can bend this way in order to reach to the caves.
Caves?
Yeah.
We have caves here.
Yeah, there are caves near here. They are the caves named after the old young man.
Old young man.
Yeah.
A man can be old and young also.
Maybe
How is it
it's
possible?
a matter of language, but she's an oldest man.
Oldest man.
Yes. Those caves are named after he died.
Oldest man and young too. जितना करीब वोल्केनो के पास जा रहे हैं, हमें लावा से बनी चट्टान ज़्यादा देखने को मिल रही है.
Now you can see the volcano as well. Yeah. This one is called Sabinho, and the one which is in between is called Gahinga, and the last one is called Muhabura.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one Muhabura. It borders Rwanda and Uganda. Even this Gahinga and even this Sabinho borders to DRC, Rwanda, and Uganda.
Okay. So we are in the border of three countries, right?
Yeah, the three countries
Ug
borders there.
Uganda, Rwanda, and
DRC.
DRC,
Yes.
Democratic Republic of Congo.
Yeah.
So ऐसी जगह पे आ गए हैं जहाँ पे 3 कंट्री के बॉर्डर आपस में मिलते हैं, युगांडा, रवांडा और DRC कॉन्गो। और सामने है वोल्केनो, विलेज है यहाँ पे, छोटे छोटे घर हैं, गांव जैसा। कुछ एनिमल्स, पेट एनिमल्स देखने को मिल रहे हैं, लोकल विलेजर्स। कुछ यहाँ पे खेती वेती चल रही है, कल्टीवेशन मक्के की खेती है बेसिकली, पौधे देख सकते हैं। सो वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स विच साइड? We are continue to walking.
Yeah, we are continue to walking. First, we are going to reach to the caves.
Okay, and caves. How far those caves?
About 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yes, from here.
Okay, let's walk and get them. How many tourists used to come here, this side?
The numbers of tourists?
Yes.
From 8 to 1.
8 to 1
Yes.
per day.
Yeah, from between 8 to 1.
Oh no, I'm asking the number of tourists per day.
Per day?
Yeah, every day how many tourists came this side?
8. Because the most attractive animals in this place are the mountain gorillas. And mountain gorillas, the number of tourists which cannot exceed are 8.
Okay.
The maximum are 8 and the minimum is 1.
Okay, so government will not allow more than 8 tourists in one day.
Yes. But because we have different groups of gorillas, each group they arrange tourists to each group. But mostly in this place there is one group of gorillas named Sabine group.
Okay. But today I didn't see any tourists. Today I didn't see any tourists.
But they come. They come in the morning.
In the morning and they left.
Yes, they left.
How far cave from here?
Caves?
Yes, caves.
Near to these trees.
Which
Yeah.
these trees?
Those
This one?
trees? No. I mean those one which are there.
Okay.
Also, let me show you something. These are called bitter apple.
Bitter apple.
Yes.
And you used to eat this?
Not to eat.
Then?
It is used as medicine.
Medicine.
Yes.
Okay. For what?
Once you get broken,
Broken. Okay.
yeah, you cut it.
Mm-hmm.
Then you put it on fire.
Okay.
after putting it on fire,
Mm-hmm.
you cut it. Inside it there is something like fluid.
Mm-hmm.
So then use that fluid to rub on where you have broken.
Okay.
Yes. This is most useful.
Most useful.
Yes.
I think this could replace calcium. तो वो जो एक पौधा दिखा रहा था ये लोकल गाइड मेरा, उससे क्या होता है कि अगर कुछ हाथ या पैर कहीं पे भी हड्डी टूट गई है तो उसको आग में गर्म करके लगा लेने से ठीक होता है। जो भी क्रैक या हड्डी टूटता है उसमें ये काफ़ी यूज़फुल है, ऐसा कह रहा था। मैंने हिंदी में बता दिया। भेड़ है यहाँ पे, सीप्स। केव्स के पास लेके जा रहा है, पता नहीं केव्स कितना दूर है। चल चल के तो हालत ख़राब हो रही है। ब्लैक सॉइल है यहाँ पे, जाहिर सी बात है क्योंकि वोल्केनो नज़दीक है। वोल्केनो के आसपास के एरिया में ब्लैक सॉइल ही होता है, काली मिट्टी। Amakuru.
Those are harvested by Retram. So he is in the process of drying them.
Okay.
Yeah. It takes like a week in order to be dried well.
This way.
Volcanic stone,
Mm-hmm.
not only some people use them to build the house,
Mm-hmm.
but also the arts and craftsmen used to make some materials and some things regarding to arts.
ये पत्थर जो है वोल्केनिक इरप्शन के बाद जो लावा बाहर आया था उस लावे के जमने से बना है। स्ट्रक्चर देखिए, तो ऐसा होता है लावा से बना हुआ पत्थर। वोल्केनो हमारे बहुत नज़दीक है, लेकिन उतना भी नहीं।
Now we reach the place of caves.
प्लेस ऑफ केव्स।
Yeah. Now we reach.
ओके, कह रहा है कि हम केव्स के पास आ चुके हैं। काफ़ी उटपटांग जगह है ये, कहीं ऊंचे ऊंचे पत्थर पहाड़ तो कहीं गड्ढे, बड़े बड़े गड्ढे। इधर बड़ा सा खड्डा है, इसमें कुछ खेती बाड़ी की।
Yeah, this is cave number 1.
केव नंबर 1। How deep it is?
I don't know how deep it is.
People used to go inside?
Yeah, but the common use is this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if you go inside, where is the next door?
The next door, it is there, near there,
Okay.
there. And this one is good.
ये एक गुफा है. मुझे अंदर जाने की हिम्मत नहीं है, तो मैं नहीं जा सकता. काफ़ी अंधेरा अंदर, डरावना भी. और ये केव नंबर 2, एक और केव यहाँ पे.
Before the people from this area get the cleaned water,
Mm-hmm.
they used to fetch water from these caves. But
Okay.
now it's over because the government have bring the water supply to
Yeah.
the community.
These are the caves. उई अंदर में बैठ चमगादड़. मैं अंदर नहीं जा रहा, मुझे तो काफ़ी डर लग रहा है.
I invite you in my cave.
Vou comer hari amazi yo kuvoma. Amazi kuvoma.
cyangwa ni handi abarokore basengera.
काफ़ी डीप है ये केव.
Oy.
ये लोग तो काफ़ी ठंडी है ये जगह.
Iko.
कोल्ड, काफ़ी कोल्ड है अंदर. ठंडी ठंडी हवा आ रही है अंदर से.
Amazi ari ngiyi. Ako ntwagaraga.
मुझे हिम्मत नहीं है अंदर जाने की. और इस तरफ से ये रास्ता है जो कहीं और निकलता है. लोकल पीपल जाते हैं. और ये ऐसा कह रहा था कि जब कभी भी क्लीन वाटर की ज़रूरत होती थी विलेजर्स को तो यहीं से लेकर जाते थे. लेकिन अब गवर्नमेंट ने अरेंजमेंट कर दिया क्लीन वाटर के लिए, तो अब यहाँ पे लोग नहीं आते. Okay, so we have seen caves also. We have 2 caves here. One is this side and another one that side. दोनों केव काफ़ी डरावने. मुझे सेफ़ नहीं लगा, इसलिए मैं अंदर नहीं जा सकता. Okay, so where else you want to go?
I want to come and show you the
Football?
playground.
Where it is?
Yeah, it is near here. It is where the community surrounding here used to play football.
Okay,
And some
but
championship.
football ground यहाँ पे मैं वोल्केनो एक बार फिर से दिखा देता हूँ, जो सबसे बड़ा है यहाँ पे इस एरिया में. काफ़ी बड़ा. और जब ये इरप्ट होता होगा तो आप सोच के देखिए कि मेरे आसपास यहाँ तक लावा है. इसके अलावा कितने दूर दूर तक जाते होंगे. काफ़ी अच्छा है ये नज़ारा. तो इस जगह से इतना ही वीडियो था.